Thank you for watching this video. Please click on the like and subscribe buttons so that I can continue to make more videos like this.
An important tool to use in bending conduit is a protractor. Now this is used more with a machine bender than a hand bender, but it's still important to learn how to use this. So let's take a closer look at this protractor and how we're going to make use of it. Now this one works well for bending conduit with a hand bender, and again with a machine bender it'll be a little bit bigger and the degrees on it will be numbered individually. And you can use one of those types of benders with a hand bender. But I've got this set at 15 degrees, and the way this works is when you get that bubble in between those marks there, then you're at 15 degrees, or whatever degree that you've set your bender for. Now I've chosen 15 degrees for a very specific reason. I like to use a 15-degree angle because it gives me a very shallow bend for small offsets, and the multiplier is 4. It's really 3.89, but you can use 4 and it works out very well. And there's another bend later on that I'm going to show you where a 15-degree angle works very well. So let's make a 15-degree angle bend in a stick of 3/4 inch conduit right now. So we've put the pipe in the bender and we've put the protractor on the pipe. Now we know we want 15 degrees, and there is a 10-degree mark on our bender, so we're going to go a little bit past 10 degrees. And this is bend now. Let's just be very careful. And what we got to do is bend a little bit, and then you're going to have to go down and look in front of it. I might have to get away the camera to do this. Okay, I need a little bit more. And the first couple times you do this, just go slowly. Okay, I can see I need just a little bit more. There, okay, I've got that bubble in between the red lines there, so that's 15 degrees. So now I'm going to show you another trick with this. That's something I've done to the bender, so we just need to take a little bit bigger look now with our camera. So this is our conduit, and we've made the 15-degree bend in it. Now notice right here, something I've done on the bender. It's right here. I made a mark on the bender where the conduit touches the bender as it comes down. Remember, on a 10-degree we wanted to bend it so it was parallel to this line. Well, here, since it's 15 and it's a mark I put on the bender, I made it to where I touched it, and I filed a notch in the bender there. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to take my marker and I'm going to highlight that right there. And that should show up a little bit better on the camera, so you can see that where this pipe now touches the bender, that's 15 degrees. So now what this allows me to do is to make 15-degree bends without using a protractor, because I have a mark here on the bender which I can use. Now you have to be careful, because some people put all sorts of different marks on benders for different reasons. And some of them, I'm not sure why marks were put in certain places. So just be careful if you're going to do something like this. If you're in a small company and you know the benders, or if you have your own shop and you can control the benders and what happens with them, then you can go ahead and do this and know what the marks mean on the benders. But this is a very good trick to give you 15 degrees. So now you can use this for offsets and for saddles and for a special type of 3-point saddle called an Anderson bend.
Thank you for watching this video. Please click on the like and subscribe buttons so that I can continue to make more videos like this. If you find this video helpful, please consider donating using the PayPal link below. Thank you.